Hello friends, today we learn how to do profile linking in SEO for free. Go on search engine and type the top profile linking sites there. Now choose the one of them and start making profile linking. Open the site and sign up there. Enter your email address. Enter your password. Click the Create Account button. And then verify your email account by typing a given code. Your profile has been created. Now click to your profile and click on Edit Profile. Type your name, your bio, your company name, location, and your homepage URL. Now save it. Upload your account profile image. Click the Updated Profile button. Copy your profile URL and paste it in incognito. It's completed. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more videos. See you soon with another new video.